Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm endodontic from Jakarta. How are you guys? I hope that you still love endo like I do because today I'm going to tell you another clinical case report of a single face endodontic treatment which was done in mandibular second molar. And what's so special about this case? This is another case of broken file removal in the mesial canal of mandibular molar. This is very common, and I hope that you are not getting bored yet. And in this case, I removed the broken file using ultrasonic approach, preceded by correcting the excess cavity preparation, which was not done right. And I refined the excess cavity using a diamond-coated ultrasonic tip and finished removing the file using ultrasonic. So all of them was done using ultrasonic. And this case has a 4 years follow-up. And from the X-ray, we can see that the apical lesion has healed completely. The patient was asymptomatic, but the crown was not done yet because the patient still had orthodontic treatment ongoing. So guys, I hope that this case is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. And if you have any other question, please send your question to the comment section below or just send your question to my Instagram account because I will reply the DM as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome, and stay with me in this YouTube channel. See you in my next clinical case report. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.